Hello friends, and welcome back to A Rustic Space. Today I'd like to share a little tutorial with you using a repurposed chair spring. The cute little bird's nest came from Hobby Lobby. I just added a little moss around the outside edges and placed in my bird. I attached some branches around the top of the spring with some floral wire. Place your spring down in your container. I used what I had on hand, but a flower pot would be cute as well. Then I added some Spanish moss and a little reindeer moss around the edges, and that's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.